Hello there, everyone, and welcome back to YouTube Foundry. I'm Richard. I want to do something today that's a really cool tool to have in your tool bag when you're trying to make thumbnails. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to take a photograph, remove the background image so that the remaining image can be used to superimpose on another background in any thumbnail. You can reuse this image over and over again. It's a really great tool to have, and you can create some really neat effects with it. So let me go show you an example of what I'm talking about. So this is a thumbnail that I developed for the monetization video that I've got that you can see. Now, what's interesting is the background was created by ChatGPT. I put the message in there, or the word monetized, and then there's the image of me looking up as if money is raining down. Now, that image was taken here in my office, but all the background for that image was removed so that all you see is me looking up into a sky of raining money. So let me go show you how I did this. So we're going to start with this really nice tool that we get from Adobe Express. This is a tool that allows us to remove the background from just about any image simply by dragging that image into this designated area in Adobe Express, and it will automatically remove that background without us having to do really much of anything at all. So let me just go shrink this down and show you what we're going to do next. Okay, so what I've got here is I've got our two screens. I have our Amazon Express background here, or screen over here. I also have some pictures over here that I have in one of my files. So the one I want to pick is this thumbsup.jpg. So if I click on that, let's show you the picture. I took this in my office, so I've got me sitting in my desk chair with the thumbs up and all the background. We want to remove all this background so that all we have is the thumbs up. So let's go back to this. I'm simply going to take this picture and I'm going to drag it over into the designated area over here in my Adobe Express. So I drag it over, and immediately when I drag this picture, it's going to start processing it and removing the background. And you can see it takes literally just a couple of seconds and the background is fully removed. All I have to do now is download this picture. So I will download it, and then we'll go look and see where it is. It's right up here in thumbnail, thumbs up, and it's got the parenthesis around it because I already did this once before. So I'll simply drag this back over into my folder where I've got my images. It's going to ask me if I want to copy it without properties. I'll say yes. And if I want to, I can actually change the name of that if I want to at this point. So the next thing I want to do is I want to put this onto a PowerPoint slide because I'm making a thumbnail. So let's just open this up. I've already created a thumbnail here, or a slide, with this image of this bank vault with a pile of money, and I want to superimpose my image over that. Now it's really easy to do. I'm simply going to take the image back over here. I'm going to drag it right back onto that, and I'm going to drag it down a little bit, and then I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so I'm bigger in the vault, and I'm going to get rid of this because I don't care about that, and make it a little bit bigger here. So now I'm in the vault, and if we want to see what this looks like, let's just go open up this and look at the full PowerPoint slide, and there it is. That's what this looks like when I've superimposed my image. It makes it look like I am in the vault with the money. It's a really, really cool image. Hopefully you like this as well as I do. I just think it's pretty cool. And so with that, we've got our image, and we can now use this as a thumbnail for one of our YouTube videos. So hopefully you see how easy it is to remove the background from a video. It's not hard. You just have to have the right tools. And when you do that, you're left with an image that you can superimpose on other backgrounds and really make a kind of cool effect when you're trying to make your thumbnails. You can use this over and over again. Robert Benjamin, if you look at his videos, there's often where he uses the same cropped out, background removed image in the beginning of a lot of his videos and the thumbnails for a lot of his videos. So hopefully this is a useful tool to you. Hey, if you like the video, we'd love for you to click the like button below. I also want you to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so that when we issue new videos, you'll be sure and be notified of when those new videos come out. In the meantime, keep on making videos, have fun on YouTube, but stay safe. We'll see you real soon right here on YouTube Foundry.